casual person walking down the street. Oh, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm OnLiNE MeRmAid and I am naked right now. I have no brows on. I feel so weird. I was just going through my Pinterest the other day and I'm like seeing all these weird ass eyebrows. Like there's really weird things that people do with their eyebrows. And I know it's a little bit, you're probably thinking, you're way too late, that trend is over, no one gives a crap. I've always wanted to try some stuff out and I think it'll be fun, and it's just so, it mind boggles me how weird people are like using these trends. Like it's just so weird. Like I don't understand how they even came up with it, and it's stupid. I'm loving my eye makeup today. It looks mint. Let's get started. Okay, so this first one is the wiggly one. Now a lot of you guys know this one, a lot of you guys have seen it. I think it was a Snapchat filter at one stage. It is whack. I think this is one of the ones where I was like, what the heck is this? What the heck? So with this wiggly one, I got no idea how to do it at all. But because you're gonna have to do some cool little waves, I think you have to conceal your brow. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna conceal our brow. And yeah, they are so bad. This is why I draw them on, because like this one isn't bad. This one here is like, yeah, you can get somewhere in life. This one is like, did you fall in a volcano? Like what happened to you? I don't even know. Oh, this is weird. I don't like this at all. That didn't even conceal anything. Whatever, let's just try blending it and we'll see what happens. That did nothing. That just made everything around my brow extra white. That did nothing. That did nothing. It just ruined my eye makeup. Just a normal color. You don't need any wacko colors yet. I'm actually really bad at makeup. I'm not good at doing eyebrows. I never have been. You literally type in Google wiggly brows, but you try and do it in Pinterest. It's like, what are you talking about? This is what it's meant to look like. I'm gonna try and do it. Oh, it looks rank. I hate it. Why would people even try this? Like, why would people even want this in their life? I don't even know. Like, so I'm gonna do my version of it. I can't do it. Alright. I honestly think it looks amazing right now. Like, it literally looks like there's a worm on my face. A really ugly caterpillar. Oh. Yeah. No, that is not the brow you want in your life. I will be honest. The next one we're gonna try is the glitter one. I am looking forward to this. In this video, I forgot to mention in the beginning, I'm actually just using stuff with whatever I've got. If I don't have any, like, because a lot of people have glittery eyeshadows. I've actually ordered some glittery eyeshadows, and I'm so excited. I cannot wait to get them, but I got none. I don't have glitter eyeshadows. So I do have this glittery, what is it? I think it's like a glittery eyeliner, and it will do the job. So basically we're just gonna draw our brow on that's glittery. I've seen a lot of people have stuff like this and it's just whack, it's weird. Let's go. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, I'm feeling this one. Theodore. You can't see him right now. This is what he's doing. Theodore, what are you doing? Theodore. He always jumps onto my makeup and my lipsticks, and it stresses me out because they fall on the ground and then they break. It's like, do you think I'm made of money, Theodore? Like, do you think I can actually buy more? Don't look at me like that, please. Woo! There it is. Oh my god, I actually don't mind that. It's kind of cool. It would go really well if you did like a nice goldy or sunny eye look. That is actually quite cool. I wouldn't mind doing that. I live in a small town and people are going to be looking at me like, what are you doing? Like, people look at you weird if you wear those trendy glasses that when you don't even have glasses, you know those ones? They're really cool. Like these ones. Like, people go ballistic because they're like, that is so weird. You don't even wear glasses, but honey, they look kind of cool. Don't you think, Theodore? Theodore doesn't even recognize me with these. It's okay, it's just me. But no, I definitely do this one. I hate that one. I don't even know why people think such things are a good idea when they're really not. Yeah, just wipe my makeup off too. That's fine. I don't need that. Yeah. What the heck? I didn't watch any tutorials, which I probably should have. Okay, so the next one is a feather one. Like, I think a lot of people have actually seen this one. I got no idea how they do it. So I think they literally split their brow in half. I don't have enough brow for that though. Nope. You know what? I hate this one too. I hate the wiggly one. I hate this stupid ass feather one. You'll see why. It's so dumb. So dumb. Like, it looks cool on people, but like, I'm here like, I can't even cook properly. How am I gonna do this properly? This is what the feather brow is meant to look like. How the hell am I gonna do that? I don't know how I'm gonna do that. Yeah, she literally splits her brows, but you can tell she's already got naturally bushy brows. I don't. I'm actually lucky enough to have brows. So, I don't know what I'm gonna do here. This will look so rank. You gotta actually split your... I don't have enough brows to split, woman. Woman, help me. I messed up already. Yeah, that literally looks like so feathery, doesn't it, Theodore? That looks rank. That is my version of a crappy ass feathery brow. I would never do this because it looks so silly. Like, the way she did it still looks silly. I don't know why. Even if I was dressing up as a bird, I still would not do this. I would just stick feathers to my eyebrows and I'd be like, looking good. This looks so bad. This next one we're gonna do, I hate it. It's a bit similar to this feather one. I hate it. It's like, what? You want to put a dinosaur on your face? It looks like a dinosaur. Literally, just add a little face in front of that, you got a dinosaur. I don't know how they came up with this one. It looks like you got a tiara on your face as well, which is kind of cool, but honey, you can just wear a tiara. You don't actually have to draw one on your face. Like, just saying. But what you got at? I got nothing. Big ass line under here. It's basically drawing massive arrows on your face. I just want to do one well. Like, is that so much to ask for? I've never been good at makeup. I look like I'm literally a child using crayon and drawing on my brows. And it looks like the teacher was like, okay guys, draw your favorite animal on your face. Is it a bird or is it a dinosaur? Surprise me, people, surprise me. This looks disgusting. Don't mind me, just wiping all my concealer off. Yep. 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 Ah. I'm kind of excited to do this one because it's not that hard. It's kind of cool. So this one we're going to do is intense. This is basically intense brows. I know some people don't like it, but some people do. I would not do my brows like this. I don't really like it. My brows aren't this intense. They're more like nicely shaped to my natural one, and they're a little bit lighter than this, so not like block. This one is the most weirdest one I've come across. I know, you're probably thinking, dude, you drew a dinosaur on your face and a bird feather. How more weird can you get? And a wiggle. Like, I feel like that was inspired by the Wiggles. It shouldn't have happened, but it did. I'm just gonna show you because I have no words. No words. I cannot believe people do this, but here is, it's called a foil brow. So they're literally using foil to do their eyebrows. I don't know how they did this. Toodle's just misbehaving so much today. To do this, you need to cut out an eyebrow out of foil. I'm shaking so bad for no good reason. Like, it's not Christmas yet, calm down. Here it is. This is ridiculous. So it's meant to look like that. Now, I didn't know how the hell they did this. So I think they just used glue. This is just a blue stick. Goes on blue, dries clear. Thanks, mate. Thanks, mate. Alright, so let's try this. It feels weird. Actually, it's quite refreshing. What the hell? You said it goes on blue. You lied to me. Oh my god. So there's that one. I look like the Tin Man. I look like I'm part robot. It's like, yeah, sorry, I forgot to program my eyebrows to be human today. Whoops. Honestly, I'm kind of liking this more than this. Like half of my peripheral vision is gone from wearing this. Am I feeling it? No. Do I want to feel it? No. No. I can see why models would do this. I can see why fashion shows would do this. I can't see why an average person like me would do this. Even my pug dog on my shirt wouldn't do this. He doesn't even have brows because he ain't got time for that. The last two ones I am so excited about because they're so easy and they're actually quite cool because I feel like I'd actually do this. So this one is a block color. Now, block color is just choosing a random color and just your whole brow is going to be that. But it's different to the natural color. Like, you've probably seen people out there with blue brows and they've got brown hair. Like, it looks so cool. I'm actually just using lip liner. Really, I feel like I'm putting a crayon on my face right now because, oh. How cool is that? It's the same color as my lips almost. Oh, damn! That looks awesome. I would definitely do that. This last one is an ombre brow. Now, I have no idea what to use for this. Because you look it up and you're like, do you use eyeshadow? Like, what do you do? What do, man? What do? I'm going to use this lovely palette. It's very pretty. It's a coral one. And I actually have this colour on under my eyes. So most of you know ombres, it's like one part colour, another colour. And damn, is this going to work? Yeah, just got makeup all over my phone. I'm so smart. Like, honestly. This is cool. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. This is starting to look real cool. I'm definitely gonna go out like this. Imagine if, like, on YouTube, it was like a hologram, so you could see like their entire room and everything they're doing. That is so invasive. I wouldn't do well because I don't wear pants normally because I don't see the point because it's so hot here and I can't be bothered to wear pants. I think this works well for people like me who don't have much of an eyebrow because you can get away with it. I kind of like that look. I kind of like how it's just messy and it's a bit like my life. Like, I can relate to this so much. I kind of like that. Just ombre my actual leaves on my brow. That is so cool though. Here is the final product of this weird ass trend eyebrow thing. It is weird as heckers. Look amazing. Honestly, my favourites, it'd probably be either the glitter one or this one. And I don't mind this block brow. The foil one for sure is definitely my favourite. Like, the worst one I think was definitely the wiggly one. And, you know, the animal ones. Like, I think it's a good idea, but it's like, animals are just meant to be our friends, not on our face. Just like when you wear them, like, you don't need to wear an animal, just be friends with them, you know? Like, you know how people, like, you know, skin animals and wear them? Like, oh, I hate that it so much. It's just so cruel and unnecessary. Just get wool, because sheep are happy to give us wool because they get so hot in summer. Like, you gotta compromise, you know? You don't hurt people like that. I feel animals are people, and yeah, rant over. I'm not gonna get into that right now. I don't know how people thought of it, but I can guarantee there's gonna be more trends coming up, brows, and I'll be there to do them for you and test them out, because literally I just used what I had and I don't have that much. I apologize for this regrowth, but it will go away soon, probably, if I can be bothered. Too hot, it's too hot, I tell ya, it's too hot. Oh my god, no more! Yeah, don't mind my crooked teeth, they're a part of my natural aesthetic. I hope you guys have an awesome day. Like and subscribe if you want, and I'll see y'all in the next one. I'm OnLiNE MeRmAid. Bye bye. Bye bye. Oh, bye bye. Wave like the queen, because you are a queen. No.
I'm blue,